we're taking you on an exciting journey to explore the best places to visit in Kenya. From incredible wildlife safaris to breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural experiences, Kenya has it all. If you're passionate about travel, don't forget to destinations. Let's get started. Number 1. Maasai Mara National Reserve. The Maasai Mara National Reserve is a wildlife paradise and one of Kenya's most iconic destinations. Nestled in the Great Rift Valley, it's celebrated for the dramatic Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras cross the Mara River in search of greener pastures, a spectacular natural event. The reserve is home to the Big Five, offering unparalleled opportunities for safari enthusiasts to spot lions, elephants, buffalo, leopards, and rhinoceros. The vast savannas, dotted with acacia trees and framed by endless skies, create a stunning backdrop for wildlife photography. Conservation efforts and coexistence with Maasai communities add depth to the Maasai Mara experience, making it a must-visit for nature and culture enthusiasts alike. Number 2. The Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley is a geological marvel that stretches across East Africa, and Kenya is home to some of its most spectacular features. This immense trench, formed by the shifting of tectonic plates, is a natural wonder characterized by dramatic landscapes and diverse ecosystems. Along its course in Kenya, you'll find stunning lakes such as Naivasha, Elementaita, and Nakuru, each offering unique attractions from flamingo-filled shores to ancient volcanic craters. Hell's Gate National Park within the Rift Valley provides thrilling opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and hot springs exploration. The dramatic escarpments and fertile plains make it a captivating destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers, offering a glimpse into the Earth's ever-changing geological history. Number 3. Amboseli National Park. Amboseli National Park, nestled at the foot of Africa's highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, is a natural wonder in Kenya. This park offers travelers not only the opportunity to witness herds of majestic elephants against the iconic Kilimanjaro backdrop, but also a diverse range of wildlife. The park's unique ecosystems include swamps, savannas, and acacia woodlands, attracting a variety of animals such as lions, cheetahs, giraffes, and zebras. Amboseli is also a haven for birdwatchers, with numerous species of birds gracing its wetlands. The stunning scenery and abundant wildlife make Amboseli National Park a must-visit destination for those exploring Kenya's natural beauty. Number 4. Lake Nakuru National Park. Lake Nakuru National Park is a beautiful protected area in Kenya, famous for its stunning lake that often turns pink due to the thousands of flamingos that gather there. This spectacle is a paradise for birdwatchers. The park is also a sanctuary for rhinos, both black and white, making it a vital conservation area. Besides flamingos and rhinos, you can spot other wildlife like lions, leopards, buffaloes, and giraffes. Lake Nakuru's picturesque landscapes, including the lake itself and the surrounding hills, offer fantastic photo opportunities. Visitors can enjoy game drives, nature walks, and picnics while experiencing the park's natural beauty. Lake Nakuru National Park is a must-visit for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts in Kenya. Number 5. Samburu National Reserve. Samburu National Reserve, located in northern Kenya, is a remarkable wildlife destination known for its unique and rare animal species. It's home to wildlife not commonly found in other parts of Kenya, such as the reticulated giraffe, Grevy's zebra, and Somali ostrich. The reserve's arid terrain along the Uwaso-Niro River attracts diverse wildlife, including lions, leopards, elephants, and various bird species. Visitors can enjoy game drives, nature walks, and cultural experiences with the Samburu people, who are known for their distinctive attire and traditions. Samburu's dramatic landscapes, including rugged hills and scenic riverbanks, make it a fantastic place for both wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. It offers a unique and off-the-beaten-path safari experience in Kenya. Number 6. Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, and it's a big and bustling place. There are many things to see and do in Nairobi. One of the cool things is Nairobi National Park, where you can see wild animals like lions and giraffes just a short drive from the city. If you like elephants, you can visit the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, a place that takes care of baby elephants whose parents are not around. There's also the Karen Blixen Museum, which tells the story of a famous writer who lived in Kenya. You can learn about her life and see her old house. Nairobi is a mix of modern and traditional, with markets, restaurants, and lots of culture to explore. Number 7. Hell's Gate National Park. Hell's Gate National Park, located in Kenya's Great Rift Valley, is a unique and dramatic landscape known for its geothermal activity, towering cliffs, and breathtaking scenery. It's the perfect destination for adventure seekers, offering opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and cycling through its otherworldly terrain. The park also inspired the Disney movie The Lion King due to its striking landscapes. While exploring, you can spot various wildlife, including baboons, zebras, and giraffes. With its fascinating geological features and outdoor adventures, Hell's Gate is a must-visit destination for those looking to experience Kenya's natural wonders from a different perspective. Number 8. Tsavo National Parks. Tsavo National Parks, split into Tsavo East and Tsavo West, are among Kenya's largest and most diverse protected areas. Tsavo East is known for its vast savannas, while Tsavo West features rugged terrain and volcanic landscapes. Together, they offer a wide range of environments and wildlife experiences. One unique feature is the red elephants of Tsavo, known for their reddish-brown color due to the region's reddish soil. Both parks are home to the Big Five: lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhinoceros, along with numerous other animals like hippos, crocodiles, and diverse bird species. The contrasting beauty of Tsavo's landscapes makes it an exciting destination for safari enthusiasts, photographers, and those looking to immerse themselves in Kenya's natural wonders. Number 9. Mombasa. Mombasa, located on the coast of Kenya, is a vibrant and culturally rich city that offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Its history dates back centuries, with influences from Swahili, Arab, and European cultures. Visitors can explore Fort Jesus, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which reflects the city's colonial past and offers stunning views of the Indian Ocean. Mombasa is also known for its beautiful beaches, including Diani Beach and Nyali Beach, where you can relax, swim, and indulge in water sports. The old town of Mombasa is a labyrinth of narrow streets, bustling markets, and exquisite Swahili architecture, providing a glimpse into the city's heritage. Additionally, the city offers a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, restaurants, and cultural experiences, such as traditional Swahili music and dance performances. Mombasa is a must-visit destination for those seeking the unique blend of history, culture, and coastal beauty in Kenya. Number 10. Lamu. Lamu Island, a UNESCO World Heritage listed destination, is a timeless and enchanting place off the coast of Kenya. This car-free island is a haven for those seeking tranquility and cultural immersion. With its narrow winding streets, Swahili architecture, and traditional wooden boats, Lamu offers a glimpse into centuries-old Swahili culture. The island's pristine beaches, such as Shila Beach, are perfect for relaxation and water activities, like sailing and snorkeling. You can explore the bustling Lamu town with its bustling markets, sample delicious Swahili cuisine, and participate in cultural festivals that celebrate the island's rich heritage. Lamu's serene atmosphere and preserved traditions make it a unique and captivating destination. Number 11. Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya, the highest peak in Kenya and the second highest in Africa, is a majestic and challenging destination for trekkers and mountaineers. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts a stunning array of landscapes, from equatorial rainforest to alpine meadows and glaciated peaks. Climbing to the summit, Bashan, is a challenging endeavor, but the views and sense of accomplishment are unparalleled. For those seeking a less strenuous experience, there are various trekking routes around the mountain that offer incredible scenery and opportunities to spot wildlife like buffalo, elephants, and primates. The unique blend of adventure and natural beauty at Mount Kenya makes it a bucket list destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 12. Malindi. Malindi, a coastal town in Kenya, is a delightful blend of natural beauty, culture, and history. Its pristine beaches, such as Maasai Mara National Park and Watamu Beach, are perfect for sunbathing, snorkeling, and water sports. The town boasts a rich Swahili heritage, with attractions like the Gede ruins, which provide insight into its history. Malindi is also renowned for its vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars and restaurants. Don't miss the chance to explore the Vasco da Gama Pillar and the Portuguese Chapel, reflecting the town's colonial past. Malindi offers a relaxed coastal atmosphere and diverse experiences for travelers. Number 13. Maasai Villages. Visiting a traditional Maasai village is an enriching cultural experience in Kenya. The Maasai people are one of Africa's most iconic ethnic groups, known for their distinctive red attire, intricate beadwork, and vibrant cultural traditions. Engaging with the Maasai offers insight into their nomadic way of life, complete with herding cattle and goats. You can participate in dances, rituals, and storytelling sessions, gaining a deeper understanding of their customs and beliefs. Additionally, purchasing Maasai handicrafts directly from the artisans supports their communities. The encounter fosters mutual respect and appreciation, showcasing the enduring cultural heritage of the Maasai people amidst modern Kenya. Number 14. Aberdare National Park. Aberdare National Park, nestled in the central highlands of Kenya, is a hidden gem known for its lush forests, diverse wildlife, and unique tree lodges. The park's dense vegetation provides a natural habitat for a wide range of animals, including elephants, leopards, buffaloes, and various monkey species. One of its unique features is the tree lodges, such as the famous treetops and the Ark, which offer guests the opportunity to view wildlife up close at watering holes from the comfort of their rooms. Aberdare National Park is not only a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts, but also a fantastic destination for birdwatching, hiking, and enjoying the serene beauty of the Kenyan highlands. As we wrap up this incredible journey through Kenya's best places to visit, we hope you've been inspired to explore the wonders of this beautiful country. From the wildlife-rich Maasai Mara to the cultural richness of Lamu, Kenya offers a world of experiences. If you enjoyed this video and want more travel inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for regular updates, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your engagement fuels our passion for bringing you the best of the world's travel destinations. Thank you for watching.